Hi everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. I do lifestyle, beauty, travel, and some fashion videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video, so you don't miss out on any of the awesome content that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, you guys. Ana Luisa, if you guys have been on my channel, you know that I've been rocking Ana Luisa jewelry. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of pieces that they sent me. I'm super excited about them. And we're also going to be getting into this hair, how I elongated my locks and added color to them without any bleach or dyes or anything like that. I did use extensions, so I can't wait to show you guys. But first, let's get into this jewelry. So Ana Luisa sent me over some beautiful jewelry, these beautiful earrings that they sent me, and also they sent me a ring. First pair of earrings that they sent me are called Zara. They're 14 karat gold on sterling silver. These are absolutely beautiful. I have them both on this ear. I do have 3 holes in this ear. I have them both on this ear, and they are absolutely beautiful. They are 14 karat gold on sterling silver. They have a beautiful flower feel to them. They're nice, beautiful studs. Because they are 14 karat gold on sterling silver, I feel safe with them in my ear. They don't irritate my ear, and I'm really, really sensitive. They look so classy, and they just add to the look. These Suzanne earrings are so beautiful, so dainty, so little, and they just hug my ears perfectly. And I absolutely love them. Sometimes I wear them in my second hole. Sometimes I wear them in my third hole. Just depends on the look that I'm going for that day. But I love these earrings so much, and it doesn't take much to make a statement, you know? This ring that they sent me, it's called the Ever Ring. This thing is so beautiful, and I wear it with my ring stacks. I have a lot of rings that I love to wear with them and just kind of add as a stack. This ring is 14 karat gold on brass. The stones in it are cubic zirconias. Oh my god. And outside lighting, this thing shines so beautifully. I mean, I get so many compliments on it. So many compliments on it, and I absolutely love it. Again, 14 karat gold on brass, so you don't have to worry about it tarnishing or turning. I've washed my hands plenty of times. I wear it all the time. Absolutely love this ring. All right, you guys, so this is the Val White set, and I'm actually wearing 2 of those earrings on my left ear. These are absolutely gorgeous. They sparkle like nobody's business, and they add the look of a stack. They look good stacked up on my ears. Now, they do have one earring that has a double cubic zirconia on it, and you can either wear it up or you can wear it kind of sort of like an ear cuff, and I kind of love to wear it as an ear cuff because it looks as though I got more earrings in my ears than I do. Again, these are super comfortable earrings. They're 14 karat gold on brass, and all of the stones are cubic zirconias, you guys. They are so beautiful. There's one more earring that comes in the Val set, but of course I only have 3 holes, so I'm only wearing 2 of them now. When my tray gets fully healed, I will be adding that 3rd one right there because it's so beautiful. So I did want to let you guys know that I do have a discount code for you guys. Use my code Kenshay10 to get 10% off. And also that Ana Luisa does have an end of the year sale, so you definitely want to check that out. I will leave all the information in the description box. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So let's start with the hair that I'm using. I'm using LOC Extensions in the color 1B99J. And these extensions are from Notorious Locks. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of them, but they sell LOC products, and their products are pretty awesome as well. So this is the packaging. Does it say how many locks are in here? It does not say. This is what the hair looks like. How pretty. How pretty. Oh my god, so this is a bundle. I also have a half a bundle from when I did twist in the summertime, and then I also have another full pack. Now, I believe the length is 18 inches, but I will double check and maybe just put it on the screen for you guys. So this is what the lock actually looks like. Okay, so in the packaging, it is actually folded in half. Pretty long. As you can see, it goes below my boobs. So we're definitely going to be cutting these because we don't need this length. Some people with locks just frown upon extensions, but honey, hop on this channel, okay, because we love all things hair, being creative with our hair, and it's not a problem. So I'm going to be actually extending probably just the front area and leaving everything else alone. So just adding some hair here to kind of lengthen my locks. It's going to add a lot of fullness too. So I don't want it to be too thick on one side, but I'm going to leave this side here. It's going to be the short side, and then we're going to have a little bit of length on this side, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into it. This is a really easy process. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. I got this idea from Notorious Locks. I believe that there's a video on their page of this exact same process. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, so y'all are closer to me. I have my mirror right here, so if I'm turning to the side, that is what I'm looking at. That's actually a great angle for you guys to see what I'm doing. So let's just start with my locks, period. So this is a finer area of my hair. I'm not going to be putting too much on these locks because these are thinner locks and I don't want the weight to kind of weigh down the locks too much. So I'm just going to choose a couple of these locks that I feel are nice and thick and strong, and I'm going to use those. Now, I don't have a fresh retie, so this is good. So I'm able to actually attach the locks to the root. All right, you guys, so watch closely how I attach this extension. So I'm going to take this one lock right here, and then I'm going to take the hair, all right? I am actually going to go under my lock, right? And this loop right here, I'm just going to loop both pieces of the extension, just like that. So I'm going to hold my lock, I'm going to put it towards the root. You guys can see that. And then I'm just going to pull the extensions through. And then I'm going to tighten it. So I'm holding my hair with my hand and I'm tightening the extensions on the root with my right hand, with my hand there. And then that's it. And then just let it hang. Okay, and it's already, like, it blends so well, you cannot tell which one is my hair and which one is the extension. Look at that. Okay, so this is super, super duper cute. Now, for this area, because I want the hair to stop probably right here, I'm actually going to use the pieces that I cut in half and see if that will work a little bit better. See there, this is one that I cut in half. And this is how we're going to like preserve hair. We're not going to be using too much hair, okay? So I'm going to flip this one over because I've already used it. Find another piece. Find another piece that's kind of strong, you know. That's kind of strong. And we're going to do that, all right? So I'm going to loop just like that, all right? I'm going to, I'm going to take my hair. I'm going to, put the extensions underneath my lock, all right, and then just loop it there, hold my lock like such, and then pull it tight, not too tight, you don't want to hurt yourself, you don't pull it enough, okay, and as you can see, this is what we get, and then drop it. Yeah, I like the cut in half one because I don't have to cut so much of the locks, so I'm going to be cutting some in half. And look at the pop of color! Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So let's continue on. I'm going to shut my mouth and let you guys watch. So I'm gonna like start cutting. I'm just gonna cut this extra hair off really quick, and I'm just gonna keep it to where, right there. That's enough, and that's actually still too long. So we're gonna cut a little bit more just to see what we're doing here, and I'm going at an angle. So. Alright, you guys, so I think I've added enough hair, and as you can see, I did add shorter pieces to kind of blend in with my hair, so we have layers still, but the length that I wanted to achieve is right here, like this part, this area right here of my hair it doesn't have length like the rest of the hair. So we're gonna cut these ends off, and I'm gonna show you guys, kind of tell you guys how I cut it. Okay, so this is what I have, way too long than the other side. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more over here. Okay, and I like that. Now with the layers, I definitely want the layers to blend in with my hair. So I'm gonna turn my hair to the side, and whatever sticks out and is not blended with my hair, I'm gonna cut it. So I wanna cut the extensions the length of my hair, just like that. And the same with these. You see these kind of just sticking out like a sore thumb? I'm gonna cut them, pull them up, and kind of cut them, and make sure I'm not grabbing my hair. These are all extensions right here. I'm gonna cut those. Okay, and then I'm gonna drop them, and it gives the layered look, but it also matches up with the length of my hair, okay? So any others that I feel like are just sticking out like a sore thumb when I do this, here's one. I'm gonna cut it. Cut it a little bit, like that. Okay, so the same with the bangs. Just gonna pull them up, and do you see how much hair is left? I actually want it to match up with my hair, so you can just kind of pull it up like this and then cut the extensions. This is kind of scary because I don't want to cut my hair, but it's not matching up with the length of my hair, so it's sticking out like a sore thumb. So I'm just going to cut it. Okay, and it's going to give me that layered effect. This is what we have. Oh, look at that. You see how that sticks out like a sore thumb? Let me pull some down in the front to see where my hair is and where the extension is, and then just kind of cut at an angle. Okay, I like that. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I still want that layered look, but I just wanted the length here so that it could give me the bob look. And if I turn to the side, so I didn't add too much, just checking to see if I have any that are crazy out of whack. I mean, they can be a little bit longer than my hair, but not too much. And let's see what a middle part looks like. Just for shits and giggles. What does a middle part look like? So we still have the layers on both sides. It still looks really good and even with my hair. See, it's all about that cut, you feel me? This side is a little bit fuller because I have hair at the bottom, but still. This would look so good in a braid out or a twist out. I cannot wait to try it, or even some curls. So y'all stay tuned if y'all want to see a styling braid out with this hair. I wanted to quickly let y'all know that I did not even use a full pack of hair, maybe a half a pack of the bundles of the 27 strands. So just keep that in mind. And I didn't put extensions on every single row. I kind of skipped rows and added where I needed to add it. So, tell me what you think about this. Is this something that you would try? Super easy, lightweight, not heavy on the hair, but it gives you fullness. You get to experiment with a little bit of color and more length to your locks. Check the description box for information on the hair that I used, and also don't forget to check the description box for information on the jewelry that I showed you guys today from Ana Luisa. And as always, I will talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Mwah! Bye!